Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to log in Instagram without your password. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. So in Instagram, we're going to simply put our phone number, our email, or our username in the said box. And after that, let's say we don't have access or know or forgot our password, we're going to simply press forgot password. From there, we're going to fill up our email, our phone, or our username in the box labeled or presented. And then Instagram will send a code to your email that is linked with your Instagram account. We're going to press send login link, and from there, we're going to open our Gmail or our email. And from there, we can simply log in using our Gmail through the link that they sent us. We're going to press Safari on this. And from there, we are already being logged into our account. And as you can see here, we've logged in successfully. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.